In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient circle in Premiere Pro. Come over to your rectangle tool over here and hold it down and select the ellipse tool. Come over to your monitor over here and hold down shift to create a perfect circle and create your perfect circle. Now select the selection tool and readjust it to the position you prefer. Next, go over to the effects tab and search for the ramp effect and apply this ramp effect onto your circle over here, and automatically you will notice a black and white color combination. To change it to your preferred color, select the clip over here and move over to effects control and select the start color over here, and you can change it to your preferred color. I'm going to select yellow and hit OK, and you can change your end color over here to any preferred color. I'll go with orange and hit OK. And if you want to change the color direction, all you need to do is to select the ramp effect here, and you will notice two dots over here, and you can move the colors to your preferred directions. And that's it guys on how to create gradient circles in Premiere Pro.